Hey guys, welcome to John's Kitchen. My name is Kamal. If you're into good food from around the world, then this is the channel for you, and you may want to consider subscribing. So, today I'm going to be taking you through making granola. This is not just your run-of-the-mill granola. This is the actual granola that I use on the menu at my workplace. But let's keep that as a secret between us, as we're all family, right? So the cool thing about this recipe is that it's gluten-free, it's dairy-free, it's 100% vegan, and there's absolutely no refined sugar at all. So first up for this recipe, you want to blanch your buckwheat in boiling water for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then you want to strain it, slightly cool it down before mixing it in with the rest of the ingredients. When making this recipe, you want to make sure that you have some good quality ingredients to start out with, and then also make sure you keep a close eye when baking. There's nothing worse than burning your wall and then having to start over again. So guys, the super cool thing about this recipe is you literally just mix all the ingredients together, place it onto a tray, and then bake it in the oven. This granola recipe is super tasty, so we give this a John's Kitchen rating of 9.5 out of 10. So I highly recommend this recipe. Give it a go and let us know in the comments down below how you find it. So while your granola is baking in the oven, make sure at least halfway through you open the oven and have a look how it's doing. You want to make sure that it's not burning and that it's toasting nice and evenly. I would suggest removing it from the oven, give it a good mix around, turn the tray, and then place it back into the oven to continue roasting until it's perfectly golden brown. To keep your granola fresher for longer, grab yourself one of these silicone gel pads, place it inside an airtight container, and store it outside of the fridge on your worktop for up to 7 days. That's it guys, thank you for sticking with us until the end, and now you all know how to make a restaurant quality granola at home. Can you really ask for much more than that? I don't think so. So if you found this video useful in any way, remember to hit the subscribe button and also the bell notification so you get a little reminder when we drop that new video. Also, if you really like this video, please give it a big thumbs up because it really helps the channel grow. Anyway guys, that's it from me. Have a good one and I'll see you here for the next one. Peace.